Hi, I'm Laurie Wessler. I'm a dental hygienist. I've been a hygienist for 30 years. I work at Homewood Flossmoor Dental for the last 11 years. StellaLife was introduced to us a couple months ago, and we are loving the product. Our patients love the product. I apply it to my patient before they leave my chair so they can try it, and I get immediate results right away. People love the taste. They're not intimidated by me applying it at all. They love swishing it. They say their mouth feels silky after they use the rinse. That's their word. And they do feel the pain or the discomfort from a deep cleaning, even a regular cleaning sometimes, from the StellaLife product. Immediately dry mouth. They say it doesn't feel dry anymore. They're really patient acceptance is 100% in our office, and we are just excited to keep going with our new StellaLife products. Thank you, StellaLife.